So here we are having this chapter, combustion and flame. Yesterday we studied about the types of combustion, which were rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion and the explosion. After that we also studied about the complete and the incomplete combustion, which take place in the presence of sufficient air of oxygen and insufficient air of oxygen. The complete combustion, it takes place whenever there is presence of sufficient air or oxygen, and the incomplete combustion, it takes place whenever there is presence of insufficient amount of air or oxygen. So next topic under the study is extinguishing of a fire. See, if any place catches fire, it can be fatal if it is not controlled on time. And whenever you are controlling any fire, you have to choose an appropriate method to stop that fire. You must be knowing that every city, whichever city you live in, that is having a fire station. हर city में एक fire station होता है, which is equipped with all the firefighting equipments. जिस भी fire station की आप बात करोगे, हर city में एक fire station होता है और उस fire station में बहुत सारे firefighting equipments होते हैं. That station is well equipped with all the firefighting equipments. Also, it is seen a lot of times that homes or shops, schools also, they catch fire. In such cases, it becomes very necessary to put off that fire. Otherwise, if the fire is not put off, it may cause a huge loss. It may cause monetary loss and it also cause life loss. A lot of lives will be also lost if it is not controlled on time. So for controlling any kind of fire, we are also having fire brigade or firemen. They are well experts in the controlling of fire. They can use different kind of fire extinguishers for extinguishing that fire. अब देखो, हमने पढ़ा है that we are having certain necessary conditions for the process of combustion to take place. We are having certain essential conditions which are very much necessary for the combustion या मैं कहूँ कि production of fire. These conditions are very much essential. If we are not having any of the three, the combustion will not take place. 3 conditions आपने कौन सी पढ़ी थी? First condition was presence of the combustible substance, then second was presence of the controller, and third one was presence of that ignition temperature. अगर इन तीनों conditions में से हम by any means अगर एक भी condition को drop कर सकते हैं, एक भी condition को cut कर सकते हैं, then we will be able to control that fire and that fire will be easily extinguished. Keeping this in mind, you have to opt certain methods to stop that fire. तो कौन से ways हो सकते हैं for extinguishing the fire? First, you can do this thing that you can simply remove the combustible substance from that place and the surrounding areas. जहाँ पे भी fire catch की है, wherever the fire has been produced, उस area में से आप combustible substance को remove कर दो ताकि वो और फायर कैच ना करे, क्योंकि अगर उसके आसपास कोई भी कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस होगा तो वो इजीली कैच करेगा फायर और वो फायर स्प्रेड होती जाएगी. सो यू कैन डू दिस थिंग. सेकेंडली, यू कैन ऑल्सो ऑप्ट द अदर मेथड बाय कटिंग द सप्लाई ऑफ सपोर्टर मटेरियल. व्हाट इज द सपोर्टर मटेरियल? द एयर और द ऑक्सीजन. सो बाय कटिंग द सप्लाई ऑफ एयर और ऑक्सीजन यू कैन stop that fire. अगर ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई ही नहीं होगी तो कंबशन रुक जाएगा. And also third is by lowering the temperature of the burning object below its ignition temperature. हमें पता है ignition temperature के बाद ही क्या होता है? combustion होता है. Ignition temperature is actually the minimum temperature at which combustion takes place. तो अगर उस मटेरियल को आप कूल करके ignition temperature से नीचे ले आते हो तो क्या होगा? आग बुझ जाएगी. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind, and keeping all these things you have to opt a different method for extinguishing any kind of fire. हर fire एक ही method से नहीं बुझती है. You have to use your mind and you have to opt certain method for extinguishing any fire. So the most common method which we use for extinguishing any fire is water. Water is used as a fire extinguisher for extinguishing a lot of fires. You must have seen the fire brigades spraying water under a huge pressure to extinguish any kind of fire. It is the most common fire extinguisher which cools the combustible substance below its ignition temperature. Extinguisher क्या है यहाँ पे? Water is the extinguisher और ये काम क्या कर रहा है? It is simply cooling down the combustible substance below its ignition temperature. अगर कहीं पे आग लगी हुई है और उसके ऊपर अगर आप पानी डालते हो तो ठंडा हो जाएगा वो. The material which is burning, it will be brought below its ignition temperature. Also, when we are doing this, water vapors will be formed there. The water vapors which are formed, they also surround that combustible material and cut off the supply of oxygen. जैसे ही आप उसके ऊपर पानी डालते हो तो क्या होता है, एक तो combustible substance ignition temperature से नीचे आ जाता है. In addition, water vapor is also formed. वो water vapor क्या करता है, combustible material को surround करता है, जिससे क्या होता है, उस material की oxygen के साथ में supply कट हो जाती है. So water, it works very well when the fire is caused by the combustion of paper or wood. अगर कहीं पे fire लगी है due to paper or wood, water can be used, but water cannot be used for all purpose. Because water is not that good extinguisher कि वो हर तरीके की fire को बुझा सके. We are having certain cases like if the fire has been produced by the burning of oil, petroleum, ghee, these kind of combustible materials, अगर इन तरीके के चीज़ों से fire produce हुई है तो उस केस में you cannot use water to extinguish that fire. Why? Because these are the materials which do not dissolve with water. They are lighter than the water and they float over it. So water being heavier than them, it will simply sink down and the oil, it will keep burning. Also, we are having another case where the fire cannot be put off अगर fire किसी electrical equipment में लगी है. If the fire is produced in any electrical equipment, then you might get shock if you put water over it. अगर आप पानी उसके ऊपर डालोगे तो क्या होगा? Water, it will conduct electricity. So you might get shock. In the case of electricity and in the case of lubricants like oil and petroleum, you cannot use water for it. So to put off any fire, we use certain devices also to extinguish any fire, because we cannot actually use water for all purpose. हर जगह we cannot use water, and it is also not possible to remove all the combustible substances from any place where the fire has been caught. अगर कहीं पे आग लगी है, you cannot go there and remove all those combustible substances. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा fire वहाँ पे लग गई है, this is not possible to remove all the combustible substances from that place. So at that place you will be using certain devices which are actually portable, जिन्हें आप एक place से दूसरी place carry भी कर सकते हो. These are the fire extinguishers. What are fire extinguishers? A portable device which can be used to extinguish any accidental fire. This is called a fire extinguisher. और इस fire extinguisher की एक property है that it is painted with red color for easy identification. जब भी आपने देखा होगा कहीं पे भी fire extinguisher अगर लगा होता है वो red color का होगा और उसकी neck पे एक black color का band लगा होता है for easy identification. So the fire extinguishers, they are mainly used to cut any of the necessary conditions of combustion. Basically, fire extinguisher करता क्या है? It simply brings down the ignition temperature of the burning substances and it also helps to cut off the supply of air. कंबस्टिबल सब्सटेंस को रिमूव करना हर प्लेस से पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कंडीशन दैट कैन बी कट बाय यूजिंग द फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. So we are having the two types of common fire extinguishers. These are soda acid fire extinguisher and the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Let's study these one by one. Firstly, we are having the soda acid fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher is actually based upon the principle of extinguisher fire by cooling the burning substance below its ignition temperature and cutting off the supply of air. Basically what it does, it simply brings the temperature of the burning substance below its ignition temperature and cuts off the oxygen supply also. इसमें करते क्या है, होता क्या है इस extinguisher में? It simply consists of a small glass bottle which is filled with the sulfuric acid and that is supported in a strong iron vessel which is containing the salt of sodium bicarbonate. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का सोल्यूशन है उसके अंदर. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज द बेकिंग सोडा. इट इज यूज्ड फॉर बेकिंग सोडा. Whenever there is fire, you simply strike its knob. On striking the knob, what will happen? The bottle that is containing the sulfuric acid, it will break and the sulfuric acid will come out. And that sulfuric acid will react with that sodium bicarbonate solution and the reaction will take place and this reaction liberates the carbon dioxide which actually cuts off the supply of oxygen. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो प्रोड्यूस होगी वो क्या करेगी? उसको कवर कर लेगी और ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई को कट कर देगी. और ये रिएक्शन जब उसके ऊपर होगा, जब आप इस एक्सटिंग्विशर को उसके ऊपर डालोगे, वहां पे टेम्परेचर उसका लोअर हो जाएगा क्योंकि दिस इज वेरी कूल. So this is the soda acid fire extinguisher. Next we are having the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. This extinguisher is, as the name it is clear, it is filled with the carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is actually non-flammable. So the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, it is filled with the carbon dioxide gas under extreme pressure. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर में कंप्रेस करके उस एक्सटिंग्विशर के अंदर फिल किया जाता है. तो जैसे ही कहीं पे आग लगती है, it is taken out and it is shaken. When it is shaken, the carbon dioxide it releases from the cylinder and what will happen? It will simply expand very suddenly and it will cool down the combustible substance. जैसे ही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर आएगी वो क्या करेगी? एक तो वहां के combustible substance को कूल कर देगी and again carbon dioxide will also cut the supply of oxygen. So it is very much effective and it is used to extinguish the fire which are caused by the flammable liquids like oil. So this is the best way to extinguish any fire. That is why we are calling it as very much effective fire extinguisher, because it can be used to extinguish the fire which is caused by the flammable liquids like oil also. And since it is non-conductive in nature, it can also be used to extinguish the electrical fires. Earlier we were saying that water cannot be used in these two cases, but we have got some solution for these two cases also. We can use carbon dioxide fire extinguisher for these two purposes also. So this carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, it can be used for the most type of fires. So that's why it is the most effective kind of fire extinguisher. And all the fire extinguishers, they are painted with the red bodies. Their bodies are painted with red paint and their label, they are having the black label around their neck so that they are easily identified. Got it? So this was the study of the fire extinguishers. What kind of fire extinguishers we use for extinguishing different kinds of fire.
Thank you and have a good day.